Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Substack as a writer. Here are the steps to use Substack as a writer on a Windows PC. First, open your browser on Windows. Use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then go to www.substack.com, type it into the address bar, and press enter. Click Create Account or Sign Up. Then click to choose your interests. Then hit Continue. Then click the check mark to follow the creators you like. Then hit Subscribe and Continue. Provide your email. Then agree to terms. Then hit Subscribe and Join. Set up your writer profile. Add your name, a profile picture, handle, and a short bio that describes your newsletter. Then hit Continue. Confirm through email to go forward if prompted. Change your profile. Click on the three lines in the top right. Then go to Settings. On Account, click on Edit. Then on your profile name, hit the pencil icon to change your profile picture. Now once you provide your profile picture, go to Home. Write your first post. Click the plus button, then choose Post. Then click I agree to start publishing. Use the editor to write articles with text, images, links, embeds, or audio. Once you're done, hit Continue. Choose how to publish. You can choose audience, allow comments, add tags, and delivery option. Substack lets you send each post to subscribers as an email newsletter automatically. You can also schedule the publish. Now, hit Send Everyone in a day. Once you click it, there's an option to add subscribe buttons to your post. Manage subscribers. Click Dashboard, Subscribers to see who's following you and whether they're free or paid. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.